Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off fast charging. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Battery and Device Care. Following that, tap on Battery section. Scroll all the way down and tap on More Battery Settings. Following that, just tap on this switcher next to Fast Charging to switch it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!